In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There is only one quality which is without which actually no one could succeed. No one could succeed in achieving something which is really important or which is really challenging. It is really important, a quality of the winners. We are going to discuss and debate to today. What is that? It is actually focusing and concentrating upon whatever is our main goal, whatever is our main objective. We need to focus upon it, we need to concentrate upon it. And although there will be plenty of things seeking our attention, there will be several things seeking our attention, and some of these several things will be really slightly disturbing. Some of these things which are seeking our attention, other than our main objective and goal, these things might be disturbing, might be troubling, might be creating a sort of anxiety and stress in our mind. But still, if at all we want to ensure our success, we want a sort of definite achievement of our goal, we need to stay focused. We need to keep concentrating upon. We need to put and employ every effort, every struggle for the achievement of our goal, for the achievement of our main goal. That is the strategy of the winners. You can look upon the lives of the people who have achieved a worthwhile goal. Look and study upon the lives of these people. You will be astonished to understand, you will be astonished to know that all these people had one quality in their mind, in their heart, in themselves, and this one quality has actually led them to a success and to a greater success. Imagine only one quality, and this quality can ensure the success of you, the success of yours in the achievement of your major objective, in the achievement of your major goal. As simple as this one, all the complications will be settled upon. What this quality is that we need to do, although there will be several things seeking our attention, there will be several things demanding that we need to attend, that we should not ignore, but still we need to focus upon, still we need to concentrate, and still we need to put every ounce and every inch of whatever we have to our main goal, to dedicate it till the achievement of the main goal. If at all we are focused and if at all we are concentrating upon up to that extent, let me tell you that inshallah our success is going to be a certain one, going to be ensured, and this is all what we need. If at all we have struggled for few years for the achievement of our major objectives, and we have succeeded also in ignoring and in putting aside the rest of the disturbing things which were seeking our attention. This is the strategy, and this is the strategy of the winners. Speak to the people who have achieved a major goal and study their life. Ask them certain questions. You will come to know, and this was the strategy adopted by those people. This was the policy practiced upon by these winners and by these success oriented people. To the amazement of the many people, the people who have failed, they were not short of the intelligence and they were not even short of the resources. Despite all that, their failure came to them. their failure came to embrace them instead of the success. And the reason was they could not concentrate, they could not focus upon the one goal, they could not concentrate and they could not focus upon the achievement of the one goal. And due to this reason they people could not move forward. Due to this reason they could not succeed. Due to this reason their achievement could not become possible. And that is the sole thing, or at least we can safely say that this was the first quality, this was the first quality which is indispensable, which cannot be put aside. If at all we are damn serious about the achievement of our goal, we must understand one thing, we must keep one thing in mind, that we do have to ignore several things which are small, which are trivial to the other people, but not to the one who is facing it, not to the one who is experiencing it. Despite all this, we need to put aside all of those disturbing items, all of those items which are seeking our attention, all of those items which want to move our attention from our main goal to the things which are not our main objective. Suppose that we do start paying attention, a little bit of the attention to one small thing and a little bit of attention to another small thing, and there will be several things actually seeking our attention, and we might pay 50% of our attention, our energies and our resources to these small things, and now we are left with only 50%. And this 50% might not ensure it, might not make it a certain one that we will achieve, that we will succeed in achieving our major objective. We do have to put aside all the worries, all the things which might be disturbing, but we need to focus, we need to concentrate, and we need to keep focus, and we need to keep concentrating upon our major goal. Our success will be inshallah assured. In short, thank you.